guys, it's Kelsey
and Kendra,
and today we're doing something a little different on our channel. We're doing another lifestyle video. We're going to try to incorporate more lifestyle on this channel. So we're doing a reorganize our pantry with us. Kendra and I are, well, she's more OCD than me, but as a whole we're pretty OCD, and we like things a certain way, and we don't like a lot of clutter and dysfunction. So this is a perfect video for us to share with you guys because we have not reorganized this pantry since we moved into this house. We kind of attempted to start because we had a few different things that would help us organize our pantry, but we never really fully tackled it until now.
Yes, because when we first moved in, I was so focused on organizing everything inside the actual kitchen instead of the pantry, and I just told myself that I would get to it later, but procrastinated to do that. So we're finally actually reorganizing the whole pantry because I was on it when we first moved in this house when it came to like dishes and everything that's actually in the kitchen. So I think it's super important to have an organized pantry just because you feel more motivated to cook and not eat out as much, because I feel like when you can't find anything in your pantry, you're just like, I just eat something out.
But then also that's how you waste a lot of food.
Yes, and money. So you don't want to waste your food in your pantry or your money, and you want to see everything. So when it's more organized, you just feel better about what to make, and you know what to buy also too.
When you run out of stuff.
When you run out of something. When your pantry is not organized, you may rebuy something that you probably did not even need. So organizing your pantry, I would recommend to anyone who has a hard time cooking at home and who has a hard time with their grocery list when they don't know what to buy. So I think this is going to be really helpful for a lot of you guys who actually care about organizing your pantry. And if you don't, then maybe we can inspire some of you to start.
It's a very adult thing to do. But before we jump into the video, I did want to quickly mention again, I don't know if any of you missed this in our mesh key video at the end. We did mention that we're going to be putting vlogs here on the main channel for the rest of the year because we want to incorporate more lifestyle on this channel. So the next few vlogs for the rest of the year are going to be here on the main channel. But we will not be abandoning the vlog channel. We will be going back to the vlog channel, but we're trying to get some more lifestyle videos over here on this channel so that it's not just beauty related, because you guys know we like to tackle a little bit of everything: hair, makeup, fashion, lifestyle. So and we really enjoy lifestyle, so we wanted to incorporate that more into this channel, especially for some of you guys who don't know that we do some lifestyle videos, and if you don't know that we do vlogs and stuff. So that will be helpful for some of you guys who only think we do beauty. We're gonna stop rambling now. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Hopefully it's pretty easy for you guys to follow. We tried to keep it as simple as possible. Also, all of our containers are from the Container Store. Oh yes, we had a ball in there. We love the Container Store, and it is one of our favorite stores. But the containers that we used in this specific video, like Kendra said, we got from the Container Store, but you can also find them at Home Goods. Because some of our older ones that are in our pantry, we got those from Home Goods. So those little containers you can get either at Home Goods or the Container Store, and I'm not surprised. I will not be surprised if you can find them on Amazon too. So, and most of them are from the brand OXO. Is that it? XOXO? OXO. That's the brand from Home Goods that we found. And the Container Store mostly sells the OXO brand for like the air sealed containers. They have that brand in there. And I also think you can find them at Bed Bath & Beyond. Yes, I've seen them there too. And our baskets are from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. So if that answers any questions for you guys, we'll have all this in the description box, but people forget that it's down there, so we're saying it here too. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now let's just go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so here's a brief before of our pantry. It has a lot of things on the shelves that don't really have a place, and they're just kind of scattered randomly. So it kind of looks like we started attempting to organize, but we just never finished. So now we're finishing. So we're gonna get all this random stuff a place. So these are pretty much the main things that you're gonna need when reorganizing your pantry. These little containers are amazing. Like we said, we got them from the Container Store, but you can also find them at Amazon or Bed Bath & Beyond. So we also picked up some of these bin clips for the baskets that we already have in our pantry. So if you have a lot of baskets in your pantry, then these will definitely come in handy. They're like a metal material, and in order to write on them, you're going to need some of these chalk markers. And they're pretty easy to use. Just make sure you read the directions. And we also got some of these adhesive labels for the plastic containers. And we always make sure that we wash out any new containers with warm water and dishwashing liquid. So the next thing that we did was put everything that does not have a place all over the countertop and go through and see what needs to be thrown away or kept. So this is probably the most important thing out of this whole video. Just go through anything that doesn't have a place, and if it needs to be thrown away, just throw it away. And next you want to go ahead and just pre-write all of your items on your stickers as well as your little metal clips if you have any baskets, so you'll already know what goes in what container. So this part is pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy. You're just gonna basically take everything that you need to be put in a container and pour it into its rightful container. So don't laugh at my handwriting, it's not the best, but I really like these adhesive little stickers. Again, we got them from the Container Store. I really like them because if I want to take them off, they don't leave that annoying like tacky residue that like a tag leaves on like a container or something, kind of like the little tags that they have on things at Home Goods or TJ Maxx. The little stickers, it always leaves that annoying tacky residue, but these stickers do not leave that. You can just peel them right off, and you can just rewrite a new one if you need to use the container for something else. So this is probably the best part, when you get to actually put everything in its place and actually see how everything looks. It looks nice and clean and organized. So we just decided to put most of this stuff on the top shelf because we don't use these things every single day. Like we don't use sugar every day. We don't like eat pasta every single day. So we decided to put these on the very top shelf. So they fit perfect up there and it looks so much better and so much cleaner. Also, these little glass containers are perfect for like fruit snacks and granola bars, like stuff that's already packaged, and we got them from Target. So these are perfect if you have kids. So here is the after. It looks 1,000 times better in here. I know it didn't look that bad before, but for us, it wasn't up to par, and we just needed to tackle this before it drove both of us crazy. So as you can see, we went ahead and put our little metal clamps on our baskets, and it looks so much better because we know exactly what's in each basket, because with baskets, you don't know exactly what's in there when you look at it because they're kind of high up and everything is kind of deep in there. So also here's a brief look at our bottom shelf. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next time.